Mike Kellam, Operations Manager at Gananoque Chevrolet. I just wanted to take a moment this morning to update you in the time of the COVID-19 outbreak. First of all, I wanted to say thanks so much to all of the frontline workers and all the staff who are doing everything that they can to help prevent the spread of COVID-19 throughout our community. Here at Gananoque Chev, we have taken a lot of steps as well to keep the community safe as well as our employees. So I just wanted to go over a few of those things now. We are taking this situation very seriously. It's something that we are updating almost daily on our website and our social media channels. So if you're not aware of the things that we're doing, please go on and check our website to see the updates as they come out. If you're on our Facebook, then you'll probably receive them as a notification. Auto service has been deemed an essential service throughout this time. So basically what we've done is tried to make sure that we are open in a modified manner to ensure that your vehicle is safe for the road should you need us. Just so you are aware, we have made a bunch of temporary changes to make sure that we are safe throughout this time. First and foremost, our showroom is closed to the public, which doesn't mean that you can't come here, but it does mean that you can't come inside the building. So for sales, we are asking that people reach out to us on the phone, online, on our website. You can actually request a video. You can even submit a credit application if you'd like to get pre-approved. So we have a ton of ways that you can reach out to one of our sales staff or our management and start the process. We've sort of always done it so that you can basically buy a car without ever having to step into the dealership, and now more than ever, that service is very important. We can also do test drives right to your home, as we've always done. For service, the customer lounge is not open, as I said. So what we're asking people to do is, one, use our pickup and delivery service. We have always had a great pickup and delivery service. We've ramped it up for this situation. We sanitize the vehicles when we pick them up, when we drop them off, when they're here. So pickup and delivery is something that we feel very strongly about in this point because it allows you to stay at home and for us to come to you. Number two, you can pull up to our drive-through doors as you always have. Instead of them opening, a service advisor will come out to see you. They will take care of walking around the vehicle, look after you while you're there, and then you can arrange for a ride home or walk around the wonderful town of Gananoque while you wait. And three, we have a service kiosk. No one else in the area has this, but it actually allows for completely contactless drop-off and pickup of your vehicle using a kiosk where you can actually book or pull up your appointment, pay, drop off everything without even having to interact with a person directly. So these type of things are very important in this time. And one other thing that we were doing kind of in the building is making sure that our building for our staff is clean, sanitized much more regularly than normal, about every hour or so. We go through with the high touch points and make sure that we're wiping it down. So we're definitely doing our part here during this to help flatten the curve. We want to thank our staff, especially for being so adaptive. This hasn't been easy. We've had to make a lot of changes, do things a lot differently. It takes a little bit more time, but everyone here has been positive with it and really making the effort to make the changes that are necessary. So in closing, we are here to help. We're trying to do everything we can to remain here for our customers and our staff. If you have any questions, you can reach out to us through our normal channels, or if you'd like, you can reach out to me personally, Mike Kellam. My cell phone number is 613-583-3025. Thanks so much for watching, and hope to see you soon.